means I1 by I2 equal to 25 by 4. Then what is the ratio of maximum to minimum intensity? So we will find out I max divided by I min is how much. This we will find out. Now I1 by I2 equal to 25 by 4. So in this place we will write A1 by A2 square is equal to 25 by 4. A1 is the amplitude of the first wave and A2 is the amplitude of the second wave. So we will get A1 by A2 is equal to 5 divided by 2. Then we will easily find out I max by I min. So I max divided by I min, which is equal to A1 plus A2 whole square divided by A1 minus A2 whole square. So I max by I min, this will become 5 by 2. So we will take 5 plus 2 square by 5 minus 2 square. This is equal to 7 square divided by 3 square, which is equal to 49 by 9. So the answer is maximum to minimum intensity ratio. This will be 49:9. Also experiment, maximum to minimum intensity ratio is given. So you will write I max by I min. This is equal to 9 by 1. Then the question is, what is the ratio of amplitudes of two sources? So we have to find out A1 by A2, its ratio. Okay. So the solution becomes I max by I min. We would write it A1 plus A2 square by A1 minus A2 square. This is equal to 9 by 1. So taking square root, A1 plus A2 by A1 minus A2, this will be equal to 3 by 1. So by cross multiplication we will get A1 plus A2 is equal to 3A1 minus 3A2. That implies 3A1 minus A1 is equal to A2 plus 3A2. 3A1 minus A1, this is equal to 2A1 is equal to 4A2. So A1 by A2 will be 4 by 2 is equal to 1. So the answer is ratio of individual amplitudes A1 is to A2. We will get it as 2 is to 1. And its ratio is 2, which is equal to 2 is to 1. This is the answer.